If you get an error message about a bad character in a file name or folder name when you try to compress this folder, there is an alternate way that we can use. Let's go to our Portfolio Files Do Not Delete, and we're going to use the new folder upload, not file upload, but folder upload, and upload that folder. You have to go to OneDrive so you can select the folder and click upload. And we're going to upload all 13 files. You can see I did a little bit earlier. It takes a moment. It'll ask you to make sure you really want to upload, and it'll take a little bit to get all of your files up there. Now this is not the zip file, it's simply a folder. It does show that it's already shared because it's in a shared folder. So as soon as that gets uploaded, we'll turn around and just download it. Anytime you have more than one file from Google Drive that you want to download, it's going to compress them into a single file, a zip file. And so we are going to do that, and then you'll be able to turn that file in. Does a better job than our current version of Windows does at handling our file names. Now that we've got the green check mark down there, we're going to right click and download. So you're uploading the folder and downloading a zip file. Now that zip file is going to be in your Downloads folder by default. So go to the Downloads folder, and you'll see that it is going to be showing up right here. It's going to be an unconfirmed CR download until it's done. And it is creating that zip file now. And we can take that zip file. If we press F5 to refresh the screen, you'll see that one is going to go away, or sometimes just jump to another folder. There it is, and drag it back over to OneDrive. So it'll be as if you right-clicked and sent it to the compressed folder, except for this. This will show that it was done on this date by Google Drive. So that's what you'll see instead. And of course, if you want to get that back out, then you would just copy this folder to wherever you're going to work on the project. Now, go back to your portfolio files and upload that zip file. File upload this time. Go to OneDrive, and there it is. That way you have the single file, and you won't have a whole folder filled with stuff. It's okay for that to be there, but it's nicer to have everything kind of neatened up into one single file. Takes a little bit to get that uploaded. Now it's a compressed file, and we can just move that one to the trash. You can keep it there if you like, but this is not going on the portfolio as a folder filled with pictures. Instead, it is going to be a zipped up file that you can get anytime you want from Google Drive.